Hello, dear students. Welcome into the second lecture on comparative chemistry of carbides, nitrides, oxides, and hydroxides of group 1 and group 2 elements. So, in the previous lecture, we have completed the carbides and nitrides. In this lecture, we are going to learn comparative chemistry of oxides and hydroxides. Okay, myself, Mr. Mangesh Bale, I am working as an assistant professor at Gokhale Education Society's Arts, Commerce and Science College, Chawar. So, first we will see the comparative chemistry of oxides of group 1 and group 2 elements. The oxides of group 1 and group 2 elements. First we will see the definition of the oxides. Oxides are binary compounds of oxygen with an element electronegative less than oxygen itself. This is the definition of oxides. Now, the different types of oxides. There are total 9 types of the oxides. In that, first one will be the acidic oxide. These acidic oxides are formed by non-metals like boron, carbon, silicon, phosphorus, nitrogen, sulfur, chlorine and iodine. These oxides dissolve in water to form oxyacids. These oxyacids form oxides on removal of water and therefore are also called acid anhydrides of corresponding oxyacids. Now we see the reaction. See the first reaction, carbon dioxide, that is CO2 plus H2O, which is gives H2CO3. Okay, and second reaction will be the P2O3 plus thrice H2O, which is gives 2H3PO4. Okay, these are the two reactions of the what? Oxides. These combine with base forming salt and water. That means this P2O3, when we combine with base, that is 6NaO, that is sodium hydroxide, which is gives Na3PO4 plus thrice H2O. That Na3PO4 will be the salt and H2O that will be the water molecule. Second type will be the basic oxides. These oxides are formed by metals such as calcium, ferrous, barium, etc. They dissolve in water forming corresponding alkali. See the reaction. This will be the reaction Na2O plus H2O, which is gives twice NaOH. That is the base, or you can say alkali. Okay, this is the reaction of the basic oxide. And second will be the calcium oxide, that is CaO plus H2O, which is gives calcium hydroxide. Then it is also again the alkali or the base. They combine with acid forming salt and water. See, when the calcium oxide combine with acid, that is HCl, that is hydrochloric acid, which is gives CaCl2, that is salt, plus H2, that is water molecule. That means combine with the calcium oxide with a acid, that is hydrochloric acid, which is gives the calcium chloride as a salt and H2 as a water molecule. Third type will be the neutral oxide. These oxides combine neither with acid with base to form salt and water. See, in this neutral oxide, when it will reacts with neither react with acid or base and then form salt and water. Hence they are called neutral oxides. Example, carbon monoxide, H2O, N2O and NO. Fourth number type will be the amphoteric oxide, amphoteric nature oxide. These oxides react with both acid and bases to form salt and water and show their basic and acidic nature respectively. Example of that is zinc oxide, Al2O3, BO, that is beryllium oxide, lead oxide. These are the examples of amphoteric oxides and PbO2. This is the last example of amphoteric oxide. Now fifth number, reaction of that. These are the two reactions. Al2O3, that is aluminum oxide, reacts with the base. Okay, that is twice NaOH, which is gives NaAlO2 plus H2O. That is that NaAlO2, that will be the salt and H2O will be the water. That is acidic behavior. And second reaction Al2O3 plus 6HCl, that is hydrochloric acid, which is gives Al3, that is again salt plus thrice H2O molecule. That is basic character. Fifth number type will be the mixed or compound metallic oxide. Such oxides are combination of two simple oxides. The two simple oxides may be of same metal or different metal in different oxidation state. Example of that, red lead, that is Pb3O, is a combination of two PbO, that is lead oxide, plus PbO2. How the red oxide form? The combination of twice molecule of PbO plus PbO2. When it will combine with each other, then red lead, that is Pb3O4, will be formed. That is magnetic. Then magnetic Fe3O4 is a combination of FeO plus Fe2O3. Okay. Sixth number type will be the normal oxide. These oxides contain the oxide ion, that is O2 minus. Example, Na2O, MgO. See, that means suppose we will consider first example Na2O. When we dissociate Na2O, which is gives Na2 plus O2 minus, that is O2 minus oxide ion. Seventh number, peroxides. Peroxide contains peroxide ion O2 minus. It is regarded as derived from hydrogen peroxide molecule, that is H2O2, by removing both hydrogen atoms. See, H2O2, that is hydrogen peroxide, when we simply dissociate or removing hydrogen molecule, that two hydrogen molecule, the oxygen contains 2 minus charge, that is O2 2 minus, because H2 there will be H twice H plus molecule. 8 number, superoxides. Superoxides contain superoxide ion O2 1 minus. Example of KO2, RbO2, rubidium oxide, and cesium oxide. See, simply of these three examples, when we remove, or we can say dissociate the ion, that is K plus O2 1 minus, again rubidium plus O2 1 minus, then again cesium plus O2 1 minus. This is a simple examples of superoxides. Now the last one will be the suboxides. These oxides contain less oxygen than expected according to valency of the element. Example, carbon suboxide, that is C3O2, lead suboxide PbO, Pb2O, and nitrous oxide, that is N2O. These are the examples of the suboxides. We have seen the types of oxides. There are total 9 types we have seen. Now we will see preparation of oxides of group 1 and group 2 elements. In the preparation, first will be the normal oxide, that is M2O, O2 minus. They are obtained by burning the metal in a limited supply of air or oxygen. These oxides are highly soluble and strongly basic. See, the first preparation will be the normal oxide, that is M2O. In this case, the reaction will M stand for here metal, that is 4 molecule of the metal plus O2, which is give 2M2O, that is any kind of metal oxide, or you can say normal oxide. Second type will be the peroxide M2O2. In the peroxide, all of you know O2 2 minus charge will be obtained in a oxygen molecule. See, these are the reactions in peroxide. All alkali metals form peroxide. The peroxide prepared by heating the normal oxide at 773 Kelvin in a air. See, simply when we heat peroxides in a 773 degree Kelvin in a air, then automatically the peroxide will be formed. See, in this case, reaction will be twice molecule of Li2O, which is gives Li2O2. When we simply heat that twice molecule of Li2O, which is gives Li2O2 plus twice Li. See, in this case, simply heating will be there in a air. The lithium oxide, or can say lithium peroxide, will be formed. Second reaction, twice molecule of Na2O, which is gives Na2O2 plus twice Na vapor. That means simply when we heat at 773 degree Kelvin in a air of this Na2O molecule, which is gives sodium peroxide with liberating 2 molecule of the sodium vapor. Now third will be the superoxides, that M2O, that means simply oxygen contains O2 minus 1 charge. These superoxides are obtained heating the peroxide with oxygen under pressure. Except lithium and sodium, the remaining alkali metals superoxides, that is KO2, RbO2, cesium-O2. These examples we have just seen in above types. The above three types of oxides readily react with water. They can be distinguished from each other by the products formed during their hydrolysis reaction. See, these are the reactions. First one will be the normal oxide, that is M2O, reacts with H2O, which is gives twice MOH. Okay, in this case, no H2O, no H2O2, that is peroxide, and O2 will be involved. Then peroxide, that is M2O2 plus twice H2O, which is gives twice MOH plus H2O2. Only H2O2 will be involved and no O2 will be involved. Superoxides, that is MO2 plus twice H2O, which is gives MOH plus H2O2 plus half O2. In this reaction, both hydrogen peroxide and oxygen molecule will be involved. See, these reactions we have already seen in above types, or you can say types of the oxides. Now, in this case, above reaction we have seen M, that is metal. In this reaction will be either lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium and cesium. The alkaline earth elements form two types of oxides. In that, first type will be the normal oxide, that is MO. When we remove metal from the oxygen, then O2 minus charge will be obtained. Here metal will be either beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium and barium. These oxides are prepared by heating metals in O2 or by heating carbonates at high temperature. See the reaction. Two metals reacts with O2 which is gives twice MO, and second reaction metal carbonate, that is MCO3, which is gives MO plus carbon dioxide. Oxides of beryllium and magnesium are insoluble in water due to large lattice energy, but other oxides, that is calcium, strontium and barium, are soluble. Reactions: calcium oxide reacts with water which is gives calcium hydroxide, that is saline lime, or you can say base. Then barium oxide reacts with water molecule which is gives barium hydroxide. Second type from the alkaline earth elements oxide, that is peroxide, that is MO2. When we simply remove, or we can say dissociate the metal molecule from the oxygen, oxygen will contain O2 2 minus charge. That metal either magnesium, calcium, strontium and barium. Peroxides are prepared by heating the normal oxides with O2 at high temperature. The reactions: barium oxide, that is two molecule of the barium oxide, react with O2 which is gives barium O2, that is simply barium peroxide. These oxides are also prepared by adding H2O2 reaction. See, calcium hydroxide reacts with the H2O2, okay, which is gives calcium O2 plus twice H2O, and strontium hydroxide reacts with the peroxide, that is H2O2, which is gives strontium O2 plus twice H2O. Third reaction will be the beryllium chloride result reacts with H2O2 plus two molecule of the potassium hydroxide, which is gives BaO2 plus twice KCl plus twice H2O molecule. Peroxides of group 2 elements are white ionic solids. They react with dilute acid forming hydrogen peroxide. See the reaction. MO2 plus H2SO4 reacts with the dilute sulfuric acid. It will form MSO4 plus H2O2. Simply form the hydrogen peroxide. Uses of N2O2, that is sodium peroxide, which is used as a source of oxone in the form of cupric oxide and NO2O2. For purification of air in hospitals, submarines and aeroplanes, which is used as a bleaching agent for ivory, wood, silk, hair and rayon, which is used to manufacture of dyes, peroxide, washing and soap powders. Oxides of magnesium and calcium are used as basic lining in furnace. Peroxides of calcium and magnesium are used as antiseptic agents, and beryllium oxide is used as in a gold Smith's thermit process for preparing igniter pellets, which consist of a mixture of barium oxide and magnesium powder, which is also used as a disinfectant. It is also used as a decolorizing agent for lead glass. Now, last part of this subtopic will be hydroxides of group 1 element and group 2 elements. Preparation: first we will see for the group 1 elements. Hydroxides of alkali metals are prepared by treating normal oxides or metal with water. See the reaction. Two molecule of lithium reacts with the water which is give lithium hydroxide. Second reaction, sodium oxide reacts with water which is gives the NaOH, that is sodium hydroxide. On a large scale, sodium hydroxide, that is NaOH, is prepared by electrolysis of brine solution. Lithium hydroxide can be prepared by the action of barite water, that is barium hydroxide, lithium sulfate, that is Li2SO4. See the reaction. LiSO4 reacts with the barium hydroxide, which is give LiOH plus barium sulfate. The solution is filtered and the filtrate is evaporated with when lithium hydroxide H2O crystallizes out. See, when we filter and evaporate the filtrate from the mother liquor, then we will get the crystallized form of the lithium hydroxide. Uses of alkali metal hydroxide. Lithium hydroxide is used for preparation of photographic developers in powdered form, and the hydroxide is also employed in alkali storage batteries where it enhances the cell capacity. Sodium hydroxide is 10th most abundant chemical. It is used in petroleum refining, textile, paper and pulp industry, soap manufacturer, dye and rayon industry. It is used to manufacture bleaching agent like hypochlorites and explosive like chlorates. See, this is the reactions. Cl2 reacts with two molecule of NaOH, which is give sodium OCl plus NaCl plus H2, that is sodium hypochlorite, that is NaOCl. Then Cl2 reacts with 4 molecule of NaOH, which is gives sodium ClO3 plus thrice NaCl plus H2O, that is sodium chloride. It is used in food industry to break down protein. And last one, potassium hydroxide is mainly used in the manufacture of soft soap, and it is used as a adsorbent of carbon dioxide and also used an alcoholic solution of KOH as a reagent in organic chemistry. Now hydroxides of group 2 elements, we have just seen the hydroxide of group 1 element. Now hydroxide of group 2 elements preparations. The alkaline earth metal except beryllium react with water to form hydroxide. See the reaction, simple reaction. Calcium reacts with H2, which gives calcium hydroxide, and magnesium reacts with the water molecule, which is gives magnesium hydroxide. And by the second way, by the reaction of oxide except magnesium oxide with water, simply barium oxide reacts with water, which is gives barium hydroxide. Barium hydroxide is amphoteric, hence it reacts with both acids and alkalis. See the reaction. Barium hydroxide reacts with acid, that is HCl, which is gives barium chloride, and barium hydroxide reacts with base, that is NaOH, which gives sodium beryllite, that is NaBeO2. Now uses of alkaline earth metals. First one will be the magnesium hydroxide, MgOH2. It is used in extraction of sugar from molasses in the sugar industry, and it is used as a milk or magnesia in treatment of indigestion. Second, calcium hydroxide, that is CaOH2. It is also known as slack lime. The saturated solution of calcium hydroxide is known as lime water. It absorbs carbon dioxide from air to form calcium carbonate, so that the lime water turns milky with excess of carbon dioxide. The precipitate disappears due to the formation of soluble bicarbonates. See the reaction. Calcium hydroxide reacts with the carbon dioxide, which gives calcium carbonate as a precipitate, and calcium carbonate reacts with carbon dioxide plus H2, which gives calcium SCO3. Slack lime is used as a cheap alkali in coal gas purification, recovery or ammonia by salvage process, manufacturers of bleaching powder, glass, caustic soda, cement, tanning industry, general disinfectant. Now third one, strontium hydroxide. It is employed for the recovery of sugar from molasses. And fourth one, barium hydroxide. It is fairly soluble in water. This solution is known as baryta, which is used as standard alkali for titrating acids. It forms insoluble saccharides with sugar, therefore used for refining of sugar. Okay, so we have seen the hydroxides of the group 2 elements. Okay, here we have completed the subtopic from the comparative chemistry of main group elements. In the next lecture, we are going to start the important compound of the group 2 and group 1 elements. Thank you.